Hi guys, I put in my time to make sure that my makeup is looking perfect, but I put even more time to make sure that all of it is off my skin. And I never use a makeup remover. This is how I do it. So I use a very heavy duty moisturizer. This is my Jergens. I use it as my body lotion. First, I'm going to put it on a cotton swab and remove all my lipstick. So this one had a lot of stains. So yeah. Once that is off, it is time to take off my eyelashes. So I peel them off and I make sure that I keep them in case because I love my Pooja beauty eyelashes. So I'm going to make sure that they're nice and packed. And once that is out of the way, it is time to remove the rest of the makeup. Then I take a few pumps of the same moisturizer. In my case, this is a body lotion and I slap it on my hands. I do add a little bit of water so that my hands can glide on my face easily and we can remove all the makeup that is settled on my skin. So I take my time and add more cream if required and I just rub it on my face. Now by this method, not only will you remove all the makeup which is on your face, but also you're giving your face a massage. And believe me, this massage will not give you any kind of acne, and this also helps with pulling out of the whiteheads. So once that is done, I'm going to wipe my face with a cotton swab and then I'm going to wash off with water. By using this method, I remove every single speck of makeup which is on my face. If you can see the amount of makeup which was on my face, I washed my face and here I am. I'm going to patch dry the entire face, and if you can see a little bit of redness on my eyes, that is because the eyeshadow stained my eye. Yes, that's not exactly makeup, it has just stained my eye. So then I'm going to come in the Body Shop's ginseng cleanser and mask. This is basically a mix of scrub, cleanser and a mask. I apply it and rub it off on my face, and now I am going to rub my entire face with this. Make sure that you do take it on your neck as well, go around the face, around the nose, and then I'm going to come in with my skin brush. I'm just applying a little bit of cleanser on that as well. I'm going to rub it on my face so that this basically deep cleans your pores and you will not get any kind of breakouts. So this is the method which I use every day to remove my makeup. It really helps and there's no need of any harsh makeup remover. I hope you like the video. Please like it and share it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.